Do you know that Vlogmas can actually get your YouTube channel out there? If you want to know how, then keep watching this video. Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun, back again with another exciting video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome to this amazing family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. My today's shout out goes to the above people. If you'd like to get a shout out at these people, all you need to do is to be active on my YouTube channel, be one of the first 5 people to comment on this video, and then you get a shout from me on my next video. On today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys what Vlogmas actually is, what are the benefits of doing Vlogmas, why you as a YouTube creator need to do Vlogmas, tips to have a successful Vlogmas 2020, and I'll go further to conclude by sharing with you the things that you will need to have a successful Vlogmas. So if you want to know, make sure you watch this video to the very end. Do you know that Vlogmas can actually get your YouTube channel out there? It could get you more views and even get you monetized as fast as you could even imagine if you are really serious with your Vlogmas and you're doing it right. For those that don't know what Vlogmas is, like the name Vlogmas, this is when YouTubers come together to vlog about their Christmas experiences from the 1st of December leading to the 25th of December. While there are some YouTubers who would decide to do this for the full 31 days of December, and there are some who would decide to just do the 12 days of December, depending on you as an individual, what your strength can carry and how much content and how much prepared you are. You can just vlog about your Christmas experiences, or you can talk about more content and different things. Just make fun videos on your YouTube channel for these all days. So this is what Vlogmas is. So I personally have decided to do Vlogmas this year. Like, this is my first time of giving Vlogmas a trial, so I've decided to vlog from the 1st of December to the 25th of December, but I decided to be uploading every other day, which means I'm going to be giving it 1 day gap. Now the reason for this is I have uni, I have exams and lots of assignments to do, so I do need time to do all of those things, and then also the time to be vlogging and posting for you guys. So that being said, you guys, you gotta stand for me, you gotta come out for me to watch my videos, because I'm not gonna be posting it just for nobody to be watching it, but I'm gonna be posting it for you guys to watch them, because I am ready to be dropping lovely videos, fun videos, great content that will help you improve on yourself, prepare for the new year 2021, and at the same time improve on your own YouTube channel, because I'm going to be sharing lots of YouTube tips videos as well. So you want to come out here to watch my YouTube videos, because I don't want to be alone, okay? So I'm gonna start by sharing with you the benefits of doing Vlogmas 2020. Now the first benefit of doing Vlogmas and why you need to do it is for monetary purposes. Now for those of you who are already monetized, now this is a way, this is the time, this is the period for you to actually increase your revenue, not just your revenue, your RPM and CPM, because the more you're posting, the more your RPM and CPM is actually increasing. So just imagine if you're already monetized, the more you're posting videos, you're getting money every single day on that video. So you can just imagine how much you will actually have. And the reason why you're going to be making more money during this December period, if you decide to do Vlogmas, is because advertisers who have already budgeted money to advertise their product, so if they don't use it by December, they will actually lose all of it. So which means advertisers are going to be paid a whole lot of money for advertisement. So this is a time for you to actually be out there posting lots of videos, because the more you're posting, the more you're making money. Now this is one big reason, this is one big purpose, this is one big benefit of doing Vlogmas. Like, you don't want to waste time, you don't want to sit there and not doing it if you're already monetized. You gotta get up and do this, get the money. Now the second benefit of doing Vlogmas 2020 and why you need to do it is because this is another great way to increase your watch time. So basically this is for you that are not yet monetized. Even if you're monetized, it doesn't matter, you need to still keep increasing your watch time. So like you already know, consistency is key. So this is another way for you to get consistent on YouTube, because the more you're posting and people are watching your videos, the more you are getting watch time, the more you're increasing your watch time. So this is another way you want to like get into it and keep posting posting videos, just be dropping those vlogs out there. And the more you're dropping it, people are watching it, the more your watch time is going up and up. And as it is increasing, the quicker you are to monetization. So this is another great way, this is another great reason why you need to do Vlogmas 2020. Now, the third reason why you need to do Vlogmas 2020 and the benefit of it is that it is another way to get your channel out there. So let me get this clear, that this doesn't mean that the algorithm is going to just pick up your YouTube channel because you're posting consistently, you're posting more. No, that actually work with engagement. But this is a way to actually make the algorithm know that yes, this channel is existing, this person is here, this person is consistent. Because the more you're consistent, you don't know which of your video might actually go viral. You don't know which of your video among those Vlogmas videos that you're going to be doing that can actually just get picked up. So this is another way to get your channel out there. Make the algorithm know, make YouTube know that yes, this channel is out here, this person is existing, I am here, so pick me, use me, take me. So you know what I mean. So you want to just be out there posting, getting consistent, because you can actually get your channel out there by posting regularly, because one video might actually just blow you up. This is Christmas, anything can happen, wishes do come true. So this should be one of the things that you should be wishing for this year. So the fourth benefit of doing Vlogmas is another way to actually increase or fasten your editing skills. In case if you don't already know, if you have to be doing vlogging every single day and then you're having to post it that very day, now think about it, meaning that you can actually increase your editing skills. So you want to challenge yourself and be like, okay, let me go ahead and do this Vlogmas. Even if you don't have to be posting every day, you could do what I will be doing, which is one day gap, or you could just decide to do it fortnightly or weekly, depending on what you prefer. But again, this is another way to actually improve on your editing skills. If you used to be very slow, this will tell you you gotta be fast, because you already told your subscribers that I'm gonna be posting every day and they will be out there waiting for you to see your video. So you gotta be out there posting that video. Again, this is another way to actually improve on your editing skills. Now, my fifth tip, which is another great one, is if you do it well and people actually love your content, this is another way to actually get more subscribers. Because if people love your content, if people love the things you're posting, they are going to subscribe to you to get more. Because there are people out there who actually love watching Vlogmas. They love watching people Vlogmas videos. They love seeing what people are doing during their Xmas period. So this is why you need to be out there. And if you're doing it where they want to subscribe to see more videos, so this is another benefit of doing Vlogmas. Now, the number 6, which is another one I actually love, is it is another way to actually have fun with yourself and your subscribers. So imagine having to post every day. They are seeing your Christmas experience, what you're doing during the Christmas period. They will all be excited. They want to communicate with you. They want to share with you. They want to like discuss with you, tell you, oh, we are doing the same thing, or this is what I'm going through, or many other stuff. So this again is another way to actually have fun with you and your subscribers, so that everybody is not feeling like lonely. You all know how this year has been. So having a good Christmas like this is, you know, it's a nice one. You want to just vlog all through. It will be really, really fun. So now that you already know the benefits of doing Vlogmas and why you need to do it, let's get into the tips that you need to actually have a successful Vlogmas. So these tips I'm going to be sharing is my own personal tips and from my research as well. So without further ado, let me just dive into the tips. Now, my tip number 1 is to actually prepare all of the video ideas that you will be filming for December right now. Like you already know, it is Vlogmas, which means you're gonna be filming every single day. Like the word, easier said than done. To most of you might be like, oh, I want to do it, I want to just dive into it. See, honestly, it's gonna get hard. It's gonna get really hectic. You're gonna have busy period. This is December. It gets busier and busier during December. Just to tell you guys, you gotta get up right now and start writing all of the videos that you know, all of the things that you know you're gonna be doing in that Vlogmas right now. If you decide to do the 25 days of Christmas, you got to write down 25 video ideas. You don't want to wake up every morning and just be vlogging the same thing every single day. You don't want to wake up today and just vlog about the food you ate, how you woke up. Day 1, day 2, the food I ate, how I wake up, bam. Day 3, the food I ate, how I wake up. No, that's gonna be boring. People won't want to come back to watch the next day. So you want to make sure you're dropping different videos every single day. And what that means is you gotta prepare now. You are in November. Prepare all of them. Get your notebook and start writing. Day 1, I'm gonna film about this and also talk about this during this Vlogmas. Day 2, I'm gonna film about this and also talk about this during the Vlogmas. Prepare it now. Prepare all of your video ideas now, because you don't want to get to December 1st before you're gonna start preparing. If not, you're gonna be like, okay, I concluded, I'm not gonna do this Vlogmas anymore because this doesn't look easy at all. Prepare right now. Now, my tip number 2 to actually have a successful Vlogmas is to film those videos or vlogs that you know can be filmed ahead right now, today, this month of November. Now, what do I actually mean? So based on it is your first time or you've been doing it before, in order to get too stressed at that day or looking at yourself and be like, I don't want to do this thing anymore. Now you want to film ahead. Film those videos that you know can be filmed ahead. For example, you are planning to talk about productivity on one of the days of your Vlogmas. You want to film it now. Productivity is just regular tip. Just be vlogging and talking about it. Just talk about it now and just be like, yeah, this is what productivity is. This is how to get productive in your life. This is how to maintain productivity and all of that. Talk about it now. Film that video ahead. So like I said in tip number 1, once you've written down all of those ideas that you want, search for the ones that can be filmed ahead and film them ahead. Because once it is December, those ones that you film and edited ahead, all you need to do is just take them and then post them on the day you want them to be posted, and so on and so forth. That's how life goes on, and you find it easier than you would thought it would have been. So my tip number 3 to actually have a successful Vlogmas 2020 is to get yourself a notebook or use the YouTube schedule features to schedule those videos that you have filmed for number 2 ahead. So you can actually get yourself a notebook and just write it down. Day number 1, I am going to post this video which you've already filmed. You can actually write them down. This is what I'm doing. Or you can use the YouTube schedule feature to actually do that. Perhaps nobody's gonna know if you filmed that video years back or months back. All they know is you give them content. That's the most important thing. You give them something valuable, something helpful, not just dropping out any random stuff. You want to make sure at the end of the day people gain something from your Vlogmas. Even if it's happiness, even if you made them smile, it is something. It is happiness. It is a season of love. So like I said in tip number 3, just make sure you have written down all of the videos you're going to be posting for each day, or you can actually use the YouTube schedule feature to actually schedule your videos ahead on the days that you want to post them. So my 4th tip, which is another important tip, is do not do Vlogmas because others are doing it, but rather do it for the benefit, do it for yourself, do it for your channel, do it because it is the season of love and light, because Christmas period can be depressing for lots of people. So once you are out there spreading love and light, this can actually help somebody out there. So do it for these purposes. Do it to help someone. Do it if you know you can. Do not do it because Tovia is doing it or because Mr. A is doing it. Do it for your own benefit. Do it because you can. Now, the third and the last thing I want to talk about is the things that you need to actually have a successful Vlogmas 2020. So just to tell you guys, these things that I've written down are things that I personally want for my own self, and based on my research, I believe a lot of you will also need stuff like this if you really want to have a successful Vlogmas. So my first one is a selfie ring light. So if you are the type that will be vlogging from your phone like me, you all know I actually film all of my YouTube videos with my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and based on this is winter period, you all know how the weather actually changes on time. From 3-4 p.m. the weather is already becoming really too dark, and being I'm going to be vlogging, I cannot be using my big sitting ring light. I need a selfie ring light. So I'll be ordering one and then be using it. So in case if you all want to know where I'll be getting my own selfie ring light, just let me know in the comment section. I will leave it for you. So that's just to help brighten my face. I can be filming on a dark day, so I need something to actually give me lights. So my second tip is a microphone. Though this is optional, but you can actually get it if you know you're the type that actually talk too low. It is a vlog. Your phone might be too far from you, or your camera might be too far from you, and then while you're talking, people are not hearing you. So you want to help yourself with a microphone, or just learn to speak out, especially if you know you're not doing voiceovers. But there are cheap ones out there. If you guys want, I can always do research for good ones and then just leave the link so you can go get it if you want. So the third thing that you actually need, though this is not a thing that you need, but it's just like another tip, is to actually make it fun. If it's not fun, if it's not interesting, if it's not helpful, people will not come the second time to watch it. People will even click off, and then you won't end up getting the watch time. Probably that was one of the reasons you started it, or just for the fun. Put fun in it. Don't just stand there vlogging and then there is nothing interesting from your vlog. So the fourth thing you will need if you are using your phone is a pop socket. So I'll be getting myself this because I probably might get tired of always holding the phone. I believe if you're using the camera, you will also need a camera stand. Yeah, you should get yourself one of those. These things will make it easier for you once you are vlogging, because it is just easy for you to be at ease while vlogging. So guys, that is all you need to actually have a successful Vlogmas 2020. If you guys want to see a video ideas for Vlogmas 2020, do leave me a comment telling me what you want, and I will make a video and also share with you guys my own video ideas that I'm going to be filming about for the Vlogmas 2020. So that is it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thumbs up this video, leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you all. Take care of yourself, and bye.